Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be working on our car, but first, check out this fan. Woohoo! In this particular video, we're going to be working underneath the driver's seat. As you can see, we have already got prepared. We have tools over there, and we got tools down there, and we're going to go right down here. First things first, this glove compartment, we have a fastener back here and a fastener back there somewhere. We're going to remove those so we can have better access. Alright, so you have both that fastener and that fastener off. It is now time to pull that off there and, well, just get rid of it. Okay, we have retrieved the glove box. Don't mistake the glove box for the Xbox 360. It is a different kind of box. This is the glove box that, and look at there's my fan down there. Don't worry about my fan. There's a water hose here. It goes, I don't know where it goes, but anyway, this is the glove box, and it hangs out in the driver's side right here. It hangs out down there, and you can put stuff in it. So, this is Matthumanpizza, and I just showed you how to take a glove box off. Oh, and I can show you how to put it back on, so I will show you. So here we go. You are learning much today. Can you repeat after me? I am learning much today. So, you put it back up here, and then you find something to hold it up, say this shop towels. You hold it on there, and then you put the screws back on there, the fasteners, and there you go. That's how you install it. It's amazing. It's amazing how these things work. But anyway, this is the glove box, and it is really neat. And I am glad you have found my video, and maybe you can search through my other videos and discover just a treasure trove of videos that can just soothe your soul and soothe your mind. And it's full of videos that I've made where plenty of, neighbors watching me. Anyway, so with this glove box, you can do all kind of stuff with it, as I can show you. I mean, you can store stuff in it, and also you can put it on a trampoline and just have an all around good time. See? So anyway, so that's the glove box, and well, this concludes this video. There's my reflection. There's the glove box reflection, and just have a wonderful wonderful day. Okay, on hot days like this, you definitely need an umbrella over top of your workspace, and if you can, have a fan or make up your own little fan. This is a fan from the front of the vehicle inside. I got a video on removing that and possibly installing it, not sure, but this is hooked up to the car battery. It's a 12-volt battery with 650 cold cranking amps. Anyway, so this will cool you off as well as the umbrella. And I have my computer over here because well, I like to be transparent sometimes because I've got a lot of nosy neighbors, and they want to see everything you do. So, I mean, if I had a toilet out here, I'd probably, use the bathroom too, but it's inside. But they want to see everything. But anyway, so on my editing of this video right now as I'm recording. So it's an amazing thing. So we got our tools in here, and our tools are very, very, very useful in removing things such as this glove box. That's the glove box, and we had a great time installing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and subsequent and past other in the past videos. I hope you enjoy those videos too, because it's been a rockin' time just making these videos. It's so much fun. Anyway, so the next video is probably going to be diving in within, behind where the glove box, its layer is at. Just the layer behind the glove box is going to be probably the next video. So have a great day and keep on keeping on. They don't call it a glove box for nothing. Do you have a glove but no box? Well, I'm going to show you how to remove a glove box.